Hi there everyone, welcome back to Infinity Drones. Today I'm happy to announce the winners of the massive giveaway that dronehacks has given us. They've given us 10 license keys valued at 40 euros each, so basically 400 euros. And as you guys can see, we have now passed the 5,000 subscriber mark. So thank you very much for your support, and thank you very much for dronehacks for sponsoring this video. So without further ado, we can jump over to the random YouTube comment picker so that we can pick some comments for the lucky draw and the guys that are going to win. Apologies for the noise in the background. We are currently on holiday right next to the beach, so you guys can hear the noise in the background. And obviously it's been Christmas as well, so therefore the delay in the random draw picker. So in any case, here we can go. As you can see, I'm going to say filter for duplicate users. I'm also going to remove the winner from the previous one. And we are going to run from the YouTube subscribers. I'm going to pick the video straight from there, so you guys can see it straight from the video source itself. And we are going to get YouTube comments. Something's wrong. Oh, there we go. Sorry about that. There we go. We've got 42 unique comments, so 42 guys entered. So congratulations to you guys. You guys actually have very great odds. So let's start the raffle. Okay, so as simple as that. We're just going to run the first one and see who's going to win the first comment. Going to see how it goes. And there we go, the first winner. Well done. Check your answers. That is correct. Well done. Thanks for waiting. So I'll record this and we'll make sure that you are contacted in your YouTube comment. I'm also going to post it on my community page, on my YouTube page. You guys can contact me straight from there. You can also contact me on Instagram. The link is on my YouTube homepage. You can see on the top link on the homepage is the Instagram page. You can just pop me a direct message straight from there, and I can then check and verify and then supply you with your key. That's the only way that I will give you guys your key. You guys must contact me via Instagram. I'm not going to give out emails or anything else like that. Anyways, that is the first winner. Congratulations. So let's go for the next one. So 9 more to go. There we go. Congratulations. You guys can see enterprise license. Well done for adding that as well. Congratulations. I'll contact you. I'll find you in the comments and I'll try and reply, as you guys can see. Next one. Let's go. Hey, congratulations, Junaid. It's the first name I can pronounce. In any case, as you guys can see, the comments are straight from there. Quite nice and easy to get to. Congratulations. So number 4, who's going to be number 4? Number 4, Diederik Harkema. Congratulations. As you guys can see, all the answers are incorrect. Well done. Let's do that. Congratulations. Number 5, Joshua Gibson. Congratulations. As you guys can see, also all the answers have been put in there. Congratulations. Let's pick another one over here. Number 6. There we go, Mad Circuit. Congratulations. There we go. But unfortunately, we can't add this one, so we have to go for the next one. You can see 5,000. This is not going to count, so we're going to have to pick another winner. So let's see if we can get another number 6. There we go. Lino Ramirez. Congratulations. Let's go for the next one, number 7. Moon Pro. Everything seems to be legit over there. Congratulations. Only 2 more license keys to go, guys. So the odds are still in your favor. Hopefully you guys get the results. Alfredo Rusciabenino. I hope I pronounced that correctly. 40 euro, 140 euro. That is all on there. Right done. Congratulations. Remember, there's also the enterprise license, which is 300 euros, but this is more than enough to get way through because this is aimed at consumer drones, not the professional guys, since the giveaway is for 40 euro license keys. Okay, let's do it. Okay, okie dokie. Congratulations. I am going to add this as a winner, and I'm also going to pick 2 more guys just in case the other guys do not reply within a certain period of time. If they don't respond by the beginning of next year, then I am going to take and contact the 2 extra guys that we've got on the list. So if you see your name being drawn over here and you were not contacted, that's because you were the last 2 guys. I'm just going to contact or pull random draw 2 more names just in case I can't reach the guys that are on the winning list. so that we can get some more winners. Okay, so just 1, 2, 3, just set 2 more names. 30 docs. So if any of the other guys are not going to respond by the 1st of January, you will be a winner. So you're probably hoping everyone else gets back, but I'm hoping everyone else contacts and checks the comments and obviously checks the subscription. Apologies, the plane just went by. Last name I'm going to pick, Mark Greef. Congratulations. So remember, you will be a winner if someone else does not respond by the 1st of January. So fingers crossed for you, and obviously hoping the other guys are going to answer as well. So congratulations for all the guys that names have been picked. I will contact you guys via the comments on the YouTube channel video, as you guys can see over here, this video. You can see your comments are below. So Moon Pro, your name has been picked. Congratulations. But remember, I'll contact you if the other guys do not respond back. If you guys don't know how to get to my YouTube homepage, it's quite simple. Just click on Infinity Drones, or just search YouTube for Infinity Drones, and on the far right corner you're going to see my Instagram page over there. Just click on it and just pop me a direct message straight there. Okay, congratulations guys. Hope to hear from you guys soon in the comments so that we can get the ball rolling. This video is going to go live pretty soon, so hope you guys can respond within the next 4 days before it is the new year. Congratulations guys, see you in the next one. Goodbye. Just a quick edit. Apologies for the mistakes in the video. I see that I pulled 11 names. So Thirsty Rocks, you are, as you can see on the list over here, you are winner number 10. Congratulations. And Mark Greef, you will be the backup. So if anyone else does not contact us within the next, say, 4 days, you will be the lucky winner. Congratulations, guys. I'm going to put the names on the end of the video, so take a look at the end and you guys can see the list, and just please contact me via the comments on Instagram as well as the comment on the YouTube video. Congratulations guys.